So hey, awesome ones. So how many of you are noticing upper lip wrinkles and even downturned lips? Well, I have some fixes and some treatments for those. I can't wait to show this video to you. And it all starts in just a few seconds. Now, when I say treatments, I'm not talking about Botox or even lip fillers. And hey, if you want to do that, go right ahead. No, I'm talking about topical kind of fixes, I guess. And just to be clear, I've never had Botox and I actually never plan on having it. Now let's start with my nighttime routine, and what I use is this very, very clever product. It's from Strivectin, and it has actually two products in one, but for the upper lip, I am using this end here, which is, let me just read it here. It's the vertical line treatment, and let me show you how it works. I just brush on the treatment every night after I've washed my face, and then I brush it on and I smooth it out with my fingers. Now the other end is the lip plumping lip treatment, and if you have thin lips like I do, this helps to plump them up a little bit. Now another thing I do is I rub my upper lips with the small part of this jade roller, and I kind of work it in, working in the product there. And I also go over my marionette lines for a bit of smoothing out there too. And I always do this before bed, and I never eat or drink anything afterwards. Now, just before I go into how to upturn a downturned lip, I just want to mention to you that the products that I'm talking about in this video, and also the makeup lip products, they're going to be below the video in the description and also in the comments. Now for my next tip, and who's with me with the downturned lips and the downturned mouth? Isn't that all we need? Like, here we are, we're trying to put on a happy face, and our lips and the aging process, of course, is making us look a little bit miserable. Well, I got some tips and tricks for that, and it all starts with some concealer. So I'm using Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer by It Cosmetics with a little brush, and this is before I put on my foundation. I just go into the downturn on both sides, and while I'm at it, I lightly go into both marionette lines and fill them in a bit too. Now when that's dry, that's when I put my foundation over top, and I like to use a small sponge for this. And by the way, if you like videos like this and also on skincare and fashion, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell. And also a reminder that every Wednesday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'm live and we kind of talk like girlfriends at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time at amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50. And by the way, the replays of all my old live events are also there, and also my storefront where I sell everything from makeup to fashion and even some household goods. And now let's get back to the tutorial. And what I'm going to be using is a sharpened lip liner. This one is from NYX and the color is Tea and Cookies, but there are lots and lots of other colors available. I'm just starting slightly in from the outer part of my lips, not right at the ends, and then I just continue to outline my lips. Now to fill in the lips. I love the NYX Lingerie XXL lipstick, and this is available in many colors as well. And it has a great applicator, and this lipstick stays on for hours. Okay, so when I know the lipstick is dry, we have to put on a little bit of lip gloss to give it a glow, and also because this lipstick is a little bit drying, and I think that's because of its staying power. Now I just dab on some NYX Butter Gloss, again available in lots of different colors, and smooth it out with a lip brush. And if you want to see me put a full face of makeup on, I'm going to put a link at the end screen of this video so you can take a look at the tutorial. Now, let's take a look at the two different lips. The first one is how I used to apply my lip liner without the concealer. And here it is the new way. Notice how it really did help to turn that frown upside down, especially with the concealer and the foundation over top. And it's giving me a friendlier face. And here I am with the finished full face look. And don't forget, the best thing that you can wear every day is your big smile. And you know, a lot of times maybe we're just checking out with a cashier or somebody delivered something to our front door and we're just sort of catching them as they're walking away. And share your smile. You know, it might just brighten someone's day. And I notice these days too, a lot of times when I'm on the phone and I'm on hold, like today I was actually on hold for 45 minutes. And when the person came on the phone, I knew it wasn't their fault. And they were so friendly and helpful. And I said to them, send me a survey. Send me a survey because I'm going to give you all 10s. And I just know that, you know, we don't have to do big things every day. We can do a lot of little things just to help this world to be a better place and, again, share our smiles, I should say. And it's all part of keeping it awesome.